In this video, I'll show you how to fix phone dialer app not opening on Android phone. If you're trying to open the phone application and it's not working, then here's how you can actually fix the problem. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the phone dialer app not open problem, the very first thing that you have to do, go ahead and open up the settings application from your Android phone, and then simply go and scroll down and then tap on app section here. And once you're here inside the app section, go and tap on manage apps, and inside this one, you just need to search for phone application. And once you search with the phone application, you'll get to see the phone app. You just need to tap on the phone application, and then once you're here inside the app info, you just need to tap on clear data at the bottom right, and then tap on clear cache, and then tap on OK. But if you don't find the clear data option, you just need to find out the storage option from the list, and you just need to tap on that, and inside this one you will get to see the clear data or the clear cache option. You can do that from there as well, and then get back from here and then go ahead and open up the Play Store and then search for Phone by Google. And once you have searched with this one, you'll get to see the Phone by Google app. You just need to tap on this, and inside this one, if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your phone application to the very latest version. And once you have done that, just get back from here and restart your phone once. And once you have restarted your phone, most likely a problem is going to be solved and a phone app not opening problem will be fixed. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.